Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to take partial profits on cTrader. First, open the cTrader platform on your computer and log in with your account credentials. Once inside, go to the Positions tab. This is where all your currently open trades are displayed, along with important details like entry price, current profit or loss, and trade volume. Next, find a trade from which you want to take partial profits. Carefully review the trade details such as the symbol, entry price, and lot size to ensure you are closing the correct portion. Then, right-click on the trade to bring up the options menu. From here, select Close Position. A new window will open where you can customize how much of the trade you want to close. Now enter the volume or number of lots you want to close. For example, if your trade has one lot and you want to take half the profit, enter 0.5 lots. This allows you to log in some profit while keeping the rest of the trade running. After that, click Close to execute the partial closure. The system will immediately close the specified portion of the trade and add the profit from the part to your account balance. The remaining portion of the trade will stay open, continuing the run based on current market movements. This way, you can manage risk while still taking advantage of potential future gains. Finally, monitor your remaining position regularly. You can choose to take additional partial profits later or close the trade fully when your target is reached. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.